On today's menu, we're making Hasselback potatoes. Probably one of the most satisfying dishes I've made so far. I just want to stare at it. Get yourself a Rousseau potato and lock it in with 2 chopsticks. Cut very thin slices into the potato. Do not cut all the way through. Throw it onto a baking tray, and in a separate bowl, we're gonna melt ourselves some butter, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and garlic powder since we add it to everything. Let's go! Mix that up, and we're gonna slowly brush that into every single potato crack. This reminds me of, you know how like when you shower, you take your hands and you credit bake at 450 for 50 minutes. Take it out and how did I burn my potatoes? The show must go on. Okay, we're gonna take a slice of cheddar cheese and put it in between every slice of potato and proceed to melt the cheese in the oven. Take it out and top it off with sour cream and green onions. This was supposed to have bacon. I remember buying it, but I guess I left it at the self-checkout. Anyways, what's up with the weather in the Bay? This morning I woke up to a loud boom. Bro, I thought somebody popped me while I was sleeping. Come to find out, we just had a thunderstorm.